Mr. President, it is my distinct honor to co-sponsor Senate Resolution number 90. With this resolution, we commend the Filipinos whom the Metrobank Foundation awards as the Outstanding Filipinos of 2025. Today, with renewed vigor and inspiration, we honor 10 new individuals who live individual lives following this year's theme, Beyond Excellence. Our teachers, number 1, Teacher Noel Sadinas of Nueva Vizcaya, for transforming seemingly hopeless dump sites into what I would call promising dream sites, where indigenous people have a learning and farming community. Number 2, Engineer Amando Molin, Sir Aman, as his students call him, of Laguna, for recognizing that the learning of empathy is just as important as the learning of gravitational theory. Number 3, Dr. Mylene Oy of Iligan City, for raising Mindanao students to world-class standards in science education, and for likewise helping them believe in a world far larger than their own. Number 4, Dr. Angelo Mark Walag of Cagayan de Oro City, for knowing perfectly well that learning and playing are not opposites, and instead they perfectly complement and support each other, especially in science education. Our soldiers, number 1, Underwater Operations Man First Class Andro Anthony Torralio, for your mastery of technical explosive ordnance disposal and improvised explosive devices, and the courage to put this mastery to good and effective use. Number 2, Colonel Ricky Canatoy, for being our champion for peace, balancing out combat with social development, sustaining a brand of anti-insurgency that comes simultaneously with restoration and trust. Number 3, Colonel Joey Fontiveros, Commander of the AFP Cyber Command, for defending and securing us in a space that is not as visible, not as tangible, but is just as real and open, just as dangerous, cyberspace. Our police officers, number 1, Police Colonel Frederick Ubar, for proving that there can be no hindrance to training and studying for our PNP in your creation of the virtual learning system during the pandemic. Number 2, Police Major Elmira Relox, in your 26 years of service, you have been instrumental in the creation of an environment that is safe for all women and children in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region, one where vulnerability and agency are equally protected. Number 3, Police Master Sergeant Ivan Velasco, among your many achievements, I honor you for believing in and empowering our youth to pursue more worthwhile interests as you launch the Bula Hindi Droga Basketball Clinic. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Mr. President, I have no illusions about the times within which we now find ourselves. Ito yung mga panahon kung saan lagi ko nang nababasa sa social media ang mga katagang, ang hirap mong mahalin, Pilipinas. Sa kasalukuyan, marami sa ating mga kababayan ang lubog na sa tubig ulan, lubog pa sa utang. Mabuti na lang, Mr. President, dahil bawat taon, hatid ng Metrobank Foundation ang isang magandang balita. Kay rami pa rin ng mga bayaning Pilipino. Mahirap man mahalin ang Pilipinas, marami pa rin mga Pilipino ang nagsusumikap na gawing mas madali ito dahil ang kani-kanilang mga trabaho at papel ay patuloy at walang sawa nilang ginagampanan. Madalas, ang binibigay nila ay higit pa sa kinakailangan. Alam kong taon-taon binabaha rin ang Metrobank Foundation ng mga application at nominations. I cannot imagine the difficulty that the Metrobank Foundation encounters every year in attempting to narrow down the awardees to just 10 outstanding Filipinos. But somehow, they have managed to do it for 40 years, which is why we are now honoring the honorees for 2025. To the awardees I say, may your tribe increase. Huwag kayong magsawang mahalin ang Pilipinas. Huwag din kayong magsawang maging dahilan upang lalong mahalin ng bawat Pilipino ang kanyang bayan. Alam kong hindi madali, alam kong may mga bagay na hindi natin naiintindihan, pero sa tulong ninyo, sa tulong ng inyong napakagandang halimbawa, maiahon din natin ang lubog na estado ng ating bayan. Walang katapusang pagpupugay sa inyo. Walang katapusang bayanihan. Maraming salamat, Mr. President.